Alright y'all, so I just started my pre-trip and I noticed that my inside tire is off. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not supposed to be like that. Y'all make sure y'all checking those inside tires. It's definitely off. Checking the lights in the back. Alrighty. I swear, I don't know what's up with me and tires. I know what's up. These other people ain't doing their dang on job. Lines looking good. Pins in. Like some. Alright y'all, so I'm out here getting my walk on. Y'all see the weigh station about empty. But I'm trying my best to exercise out here. And y'all look, the love truck is pulling up. He's probably looking for me. I see him right here. So, let's see. Hello? Whew. All right, y'all. Good morning. I'm good. I'm vlogging, but it's on me. It's my dry side, inside. Hey, you want to see the tire? Yeah. Why you laugh? Why you smiling? You ain't no camera. You ain't no camera unless you want these 10 minutes of fame now. I don't know. You just a smiling.
All right, I just been outside. It's on the truck, though, right?
Yeah, it's on the truck though. So you want me to? Do I need to drop the trailer?
No, you're all right.
All right, I'm finna go over there so I can show you. All right. Still waiting. I submitted everything that I needed to submit for my breakdown. Y'all can see I'm at a weigh station. I hate parking at weigh stations, but when that time run out and you not in place, you gotta do what you gotta do. So, yeah, and my face is peeling. I got a chemical peel, so my face peeling and stuff. But they said that they're supposed to send out roadside service. It said that they're coming from the Loves. So that's just what I'm waiting for. I'm just sitting here trying to get out of this truck and work out. Y'all know I be trying to get back into this truck fit, exercising, getting out that truck, moving around. Every chance I get, I try to do that. So I'm gonna go and walk me a few laps, probably call truck up on spool, and then I'll probably update y'all on the tire, I guess, when they pull up. It says 60 to 90 minutes for my ETA, so that's what we doing. Truck done pulled up, I'm finna go on the other side. Oh, he done pulled up behind me. Alright, so y'all know it's this tire right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. There ain't no blue. So he done pulled up on me. He just smiling, he excited. It's off the rim, so I don't really, you see it?
Yeah,
I don't know if it's a flat.
yeah, we'll check it out.
It probably a hole or something in there.
Yeah, we'll check it out. What's the miles on your truck, you know?
I can get it for you.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm finna watch you do your job. What if somebody look? That's why you ain't know here.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
I ain't put you on here. I don't want to share my fame with you.
Okay.
You tell me you might be a wanted man.
Yeah, I might be a wanted man. I might be, a different identity or something.
That's why I don't post people on my blog. Because I don't want y'all saying I got the reward money.
You like that, yeah?
Yeah, I don't want you to think I got the reward money.
Yeah, that down in Florida.
Oh, they did give you my name. I'm like, how you know my name? Come on now, I don't want you in my video.
Yeah.
Got it with a leak.
Huh?
You got it with a leak.
Yeah.
Alright, so you just gonna take it out and plug it?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off.
Alright. Y'all see my tread depth still good. So it don't make no sense to get no new tires though. We gonna take this out. Right here. And then we're gonna plug it. Put it back on. Good morning, y'all. So I was out here doing my pre-trip on my truck, which my truck is way over there. And one of my co-workers started having an issue. So, I'm saying, good morning, what's going on? You okay? You're like, no. So I'm like, what's going on? So this cables is hanging. Y'all know you cannot drive like this. And his springs just broke. Cords on the back of my truck. So I just went and grabbed him this bungee cord right here. And we're gonna go ahead and attach these springs so that he's able to drive, so that these cords aren't hanging. So let's see, let's hope this works. All right, so I just hung it from here to the... That's good enough, or you want one more?
I mean, I don't know, it's not gonna move, right?
Nah, it's up here inside the hole.
I tried crazy.
I put it up here. And it's inside this right here.
Alright.
So it shouldn't come out.
So when I'm sliding the tandem, I just have to, unhook it?
Yeah, you probably unhook it. Here. So at least it's not dragging on the ground. So there you go. Drive safe.
Thank you.
And make sure you report
I'm coming
this.
to look for you.
You'll be all right. All right, drive safe. Good morning, y'all. So it is the middle of the week. It is Wednesday, October 26th. Y'all, turn this truck on. It's so crazy because on my way here, delivering this load, my tire kept shaking. I mean, my steering wheel kept shaking, and I'm gonna answer the clip. kept saying, oh my freaking God, is there something wrong with my steering, my bearings, my tires? Something got to be wrong, because my tire just started shaking, like when I start to accelerate and get on the highway and stuff. Once I get up to a certain speed, it go to shaking like crazy. So I'm gonna insert a clip of that to show you guys what I'm talking about. So I knew something was wrong. So when I got here, I'm like, let me inspect these tires to see, if I got a knot or a bulge on my tires or anything. Inspected all the tires, no problem, nothing happened. Everything was good. Tread depth's good. I didn't see no bulges, no leaks, no holes, no punctures, no nails, anything. So I'm like, okay, maybe it's something else under the hood. So I'm like, when I get a chance, I'm gonna drop this trailer and disconnect so that I can check the tires thoroughly, because I can't really see the inside of the tires and stuff while I'm connected to a trailer. So went ahead, delivered the load, did my shutdown. Why I get up and my tire is off the rim, y'all. Tire off the rim. So I'm hoping this is the reason why my steering wheel has been shaking. But let me just show y'all the tire. I get up, did my pre-trip and stuff, y'all. Curtain still on. I ain't even much opened up my truck yet. I just, only opened clearly one side of my curtain so I could do my pre-trip. But let me just get out and show y'all the tire. So this is the tire. Completely off the rim, y'all. At this point, somebody throwing nails on my route or something, because just the other day, it was this tire, my back tire, that was off. And I don't see nothing. Is that a nail right there? That look like a rock. Oh, right there. That's the nail. We see it now. That's the nail. That's crazy. So yeah, tire off the rim. Completely off, y'all. Make sure y'all doing y'all pre-trips, y'all. This is my second tire in a week. That's crazy. Everything else is good. Those are good. And guess what? I hear the people over there that fix the tires and stuff. I'm about to go holler at them, because I'm at one of our shippers, like a dedicated lot where they come out and fix this stuff. Go ask him. Now let's see what he says. Good morning. Hi, how are you? Do I have to have a work order? Do I have to have a work order? A tire on my truck? Okay, I just submitted it in. I'm gonna see what they say. Okay. Thank you. I'm kind of mad. But let me see what they say. I'm going to put in the maintenance request and see what they say. Thank you. All right. Fuck. I'm salty. Okay, so that's no help. Clearly, which I kind of figured, they can't just come and change my tire like that. It ain't like I'm on a route where I could just say, hey, how much y'all charge to change a tire? Can y'all come change mine next and I'm gonna pay you? So it has to go through the company. So I already sent in my maintenance request. Change tires don't take long. It just depends on how long it's gonna take them to get to me to change it, which he's already right there, which is why I was trying to, finesse the system. But let's see how long this takes. Right now it is 9:49. 9:49. So if I can hopefully be done by 10:30, that'll be good, because my load pick up at 1:30, but I want to pick it up early because for one, after this load I'm going on a trip. My flight is in the morning. So that's one thing. And another thing is that where I'm delivering it to, the cutoff time, they close at 3:30. So why y'all got me picking up this load at 1 and it delivers at 3:30, even though I'm an hour and a half away? But when I get there, sometimes companies be like, they don't be wanting to take you after a certain time, even though they're about to close within an hour. So my intention was to go early, pick it up early, and get here early. I'd rather be sitting here and y'all tell me, okay, wait, and we'll call you when we're ready, than me to get there and y'all tell me we can't take you at all. Because then I'm going to have to drop this to a yard so that I can catch my flight. So, yeah. I'm glad that I went and checked this tire and stuff, because, baby, I'm hoping that is what's going to stop all this shaking on my steering wheel, because I kept saying something is wrong, something is wrong, something is wrong. Just didn't know what the something was. So, oh, Lord, this is crazy. I don't know what's going on with me and tires. If y'all been watching me on IG, I be posting little clips of stuff I'm going through out here in my Snapchat. And everybody keeps saying something is up with you and tires, and it's definitely something up with me and tires. That's crazy. This is something that you can't avoid. You know, I mean, the roads, you can't, you know, prevent things that are on the road. So, crazy part is it's not like it's a construction area where I know, okay, they're doing construction over there, I'm gonna stop going on that street because they're doing construction. I don't know where the nails are coming from. So, this is crazy. But like I said, enough rambling. We're gonna wait and see what the people say as far as somebody getting out to me to fix this tire. All right, y'all, let's see what my dispatch wants. Hello.
Hey, Toya, how you doing, man?
I'm not okay.
What's wrong?
My tire is off the rim. I just sent in a maintenance order.
You gotta stop running over people, Toya.
It's not, I'm trying to figure out where the nails coming at, because just like my 6th tire, like, this is crazy.
The same one?
No, it's different tire. This one is my outer, my steer. I see the nail, like, I would have cried. It's a maintenance guy. It's a guy here that's switching tires, but like he said, I can't just have him switch it. They have to do the maintenance order, so I'm hoping that they can get it to them while they already here.
Okay.
So that's what I'm waiting for, my tire to be changed, and then I'm gonna head up and pick up the load.
One second.
Okay.
Your tire messed up, because maybe I could talk to my boss.
Right there, you see it, please. You see my tire, please help me. Yeah, it's off the rim. That's what I just talked about dispatch. That way, because you already here, it don't make no sense for you to come.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to see.
Please. I already.
So sweet, I want to try to help.
Ah, that's.
For real.
Thank you. But I had I put in the maintenance order.
Yeah, Jeffrey, me have a young lady that will drive a truck tire, right? I don't know if you can get her approval when I retire from the truck tire. You have to call it in. Okay. Say if you call it in here, and then you'll get the approval on it.
Yeah, I did. I'm waiting.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can we have lunch today?
You can't. I'm married. I'm gonna have
married?
lunch. Yeah. Why you looking like that?
A little something can still go on, you know what I'm saying?
A little something can still go on.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that.
Something is wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yes,
Sometimes you have to
everything
have
wrong with
something in
that.
reserve, you know.
No, when you got somebody good, you don't play with it.
I agree.
Exactly, you don't
I
play
agree
with it.
with you.
I don't know what I might be running into with you. You might be
I
mad.
agree with you.
But when I know what I got, you gotta.
I agree with you, man.
You can't.
I'm just.
I know you just. I understand. I'm used to it. All right, but if they tell me okay, I'm gonna come let you know. Thank you. Not the tire man shooting his shot. Bitch, I want my tire fixed. But I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to shut back off because I feel like it's loud, but I'm hot. That's the perks of being a female in trucking, y'all. Guys be trying to hit at you. They go the extra mile to help you sometimes, not all the time. Sometimes. Of course it come with, they want a number, they want to get to know you. You just laugh it off. Hey, no, it's okay. I'm married. I'm okay. Sometimes some people don't take rejection well, but shit, you came over here talking to me. So either you could take it nicely and walk away, or you could get cussed the F out and be mad. But for the most part, I don't have issues out here when it comes to stuff like that because I'm easygoing. You know, I'm a laugh joke. I know I'm married. I'm good. You know, I got something good. Like, I ain't finna mess that up. Like, you ain't worth that. Like, I'm gonna let them know I'm real. And most of the time, they be like, you know, like he said, I respect that. And they don't treat me no different. He gonna still come over here and change his damn tire when this maintenance request go through. But, yeah, it definitely happens out here. So hopefully they can hurry up and put in my maintenance request while they still here, because I would hate for them to leave and then they go do somebody else's tire somewhere else and then they got to come back. So what they out here doing now is all of my company trailers. They come by, I think, every day and they fix all the company trailers for anything that's wrong. Tires, tandems, landing gears, doors, just anything that's wrong with the company tires. They come do an inspection and they fix everything. So because this is an issue on my truck, it has to get approved. Which is what he was saying when he called this company to see if he would have been able to fix it for me. So, yeah, y'all, we just waiting. I'll give you guys an update, and hopefully everything goes by fast because I got a flight to catch. What you say? I got that in there. Hell, I'm driving. I ain't got in there. What? You can see it from the inside?
Yeah, that's a tire weight.
A tire weight?
Yeah.
Oh, damn. That's crazy. You ain't lying. I don't know how the hell that got in there. That's big as hell. You want to call it up?
Nah, you good.
Already ain't looking good. It's a big one. You got me scared as hell.
For me?
Yeah.
Should I make you scared?
No, I said you got me scared as hell. Oh, okay, it ain't that big.
What?
Why you laughing?
Yeah.
Hey, that's crazy. This was at tire. This shit heavy. And what you said this come from?
That's it's a tire weight.
A tire weight?
That is for tires.
So where would this come from? Like something on the ground or like?
Somebody truck. Yours.
Where is it on here?
It's only going to steer wheels.
Oh. So on the steers. So he's gonna try to patch it up for me, and then hopefully we'll be back rolling. Alright, y'all, so he done put my tire back on.